Size, length, pliers, 4.93, 12.5 cm, pulling hook, 5.5, 12.5 cm, beads device, 8. 64/22 of a centimeter. Two kinds of pulling needles can be used with micro-rings to meet your needs. Pliers with a curved head for easy use with micro-rings. Lightweight and compact, very easy to use. Silicone link rings can hold your hairs tightly and have no harm to your hairs. Change your hairstyle quickly and easily. Professional hair extension tool set, suitable for most hairstyles. Professional hair extension tool set. 1. This set is specially designed for hair extensions, which includes pulling needle hook, pliers and a pack of silicone micro-rings for complete hair extension. 2. Two kinds of pulling needles can be used with micro-rings to meet your needs. 3. Pliers with a curved head for easy use with micro-rings. Lightweight and compact, very easy to use. 4. Suitable for professional salon, wedding, party and home use. Hair extensions tool is comfortable to use and anti-slip, a necessary accessory for barbershop and a useful hair DIY tool, suitable for most hairstyles, a great helper for hair extension. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for eye-tip extensions. So easy to use and perfect handle grip to use when putting in your extensions.